guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chloe and today we're going to be reviewing the Isle of Paradise Self Tanning Drops. This is my second time reviewing this product on my channel. I do have another video if you guys want to go check it out. That video is more about the face application of the product, but today I want to go over the whole self tanning process on your body. I would just like to say this video is not sponsored. These are all my genuine thoughts and opinions on this product and my best tips on how to apply it to make it last. This product is for your face and for your body. The Isle of Paradise Self Tanning Drops in the shade medium. Right now this product goes for about $42 Canadian. I have found that this bottle lasts for a super long time though. I bought this product almost a year ago and I still have about 70% left in it. Keep in mind it all depends on how often you tan. I feel like even though you would think that it's a small bottle, it really does last. I love the smell of it. It honestly smells like summertime. I think it's supposed to be like peppermint and eucalyptus, but I am obsessed with the smell. It smells like summertime to me, maybe just because I wear this product all the time in the summer. So to actually use this product, you just have to take a couple of the self tanning drops and add it to your moisturizer. You can take anywhere from 1 to 2 drops all the way up to 12. What I find works best is always prepping your base, and I like to shave and exfoliate before I put the tanning product on. I just think this makes the product last longer. And now I'm going in with the actual product, so you do not have to wear gloves with this product. That is just my personal preference. What you're going to do is you're going to take your moisturizer. I'm taking 2 pumps of moisturizer, and then you're going to add your drops in. So you want to make sure that you're really rubbing the product into the moisturizer. You don't want to be rubbing in moisturizer on one part of your arm and just tanning on the other. That will make it uneven. I'm doing my arms, my chest, and my stomach. I put about 3 to 4 drops for each arm, about 4 to 5 drops on my chest and on my stomach. And for my legs, I find I usually use about 3 or 4 drops as well. It's supposed to take about 6 to 8 hours for your tan to develop. So keep that in mind. If you're not seeing results right away after putting the tanning drops on, just wait a little bit because the tan is likely still developing. One of the best things about this product is you can build on it. If you want a more intense tan later on, you can always, add a couple of more drops to your moisturizer and keep self tanning. I always like to wait like 2 to 3 minutes, make sure that I'm completely dry, and then I get dressed. It's not supposed to stain your clothes or your bed sheets. It's not recommended for you to shower or sweat or just basically get wet right after putting the product on. Out of my own personal use using it, I feel like you're safe after maybe like 8 to 10 hours after applying it. So if you put it on in the morning, you're probably safe by the end of the night to go for a shower. Then yeah, basically after you put the whole product on, wait a couple of hours, you should have your tan. I think it's one of the easiest self tanners I have ever used. For me, I find this tan usually lasts between 4 days to a week. It just depends on how much I shower. I find that it's not streaky at all and it leaves a very natural glowy tan, and I can always build it onto an existing tan if I have one, and I'm really happy with it. That's gonna be everything for my Isle of Paradise Self Tanning Drops review. I hope this was helpful. If you guys have any questions about the product, please feel free to ask them down below. If you guys are new here, it would mean so much to me if you took the time to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!